Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to automatically generate invoices on Shopify. First, go to Shopify website and make sure to log it into your account. Now, from the left hand side menu, click on Apps. Then, click on Shopify App Store to open the App Marketplace. In the search bar, type Order Printer Pro and press Enter. When the app appears, click on Order Printer Pro. Now, click on the Install button to begin the setup. You'll be taken to a confirmation page. Click Install again to continue. Next, the app will take you through a quick setup. Click on Next multiple times to proceed through the steps. Now, it will ask you to add a payment method to continue using the service. Click on Add Credit Card and enter all the required details. If you prefer using PayPal, you can also link your account by entering your email address or mobile number. After entering your payment information, click on Approve to finish the setup. Once it's done, the app will automatically generate invoices for your orders and you can customize the design or download them when needed. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.